Okay, this food truck sells the duck egg char Quackeow. So it's called nicely named as Quackeow. So I ordered their Quack Star. This food truck bila buka food truck? Pukul berapa buka?
Sekarang Monday to Thursday pukul 3 sampai pukul 11.
Oh.
Friday sampai Saturday pukul 3.30 sampai 8.
Located right in front of Maybank TTDI. Maybank TTDI, this is the food truck. So they open every day from 3:30 right up to 11. And it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday is 3:30 right up to 12. So I ordered this menu called the Quack Star. It comes with some duck pieces, the meat and the Quackeow. See, there's some chili here, and also this egg lah. So I was told that this Quackeow is their best seller. Cost me 22 bucks for like this. So let's try and dig in. Oh, not bad, man. Nice. Okay, this is good. Okay. Come and visit when you're around TTDI. It's right opposite Maybank TTDI. You cannot miss it. The yellow truck. Bye bye.